Hello everyone, welcome back to Nirja Education channel. I hope you all are doing well. Before we start this video, please subscribe our channel if you have not done it and press the bell icon for the notifications. In the previous video, we learned how to insert the table, right? And along with that, we learned about the design tab under the table. Now, in today's video, I am going to teach you how to change the layout of the table. So let's start that. As you can see, I have taken the previous table only and I have inserted the data inside it. First is the serial number, second is the name, third is the city, fourth standard and then section. So as you can see in table tools, design tab and the layout tab. Design tab we learned in the previous video and here it is the layout tab. So let's start with that. First is the table group. So in that selection is there. So select cell, select column, select row or select the table. So how does it work? I will place my cursor at the first cell and then click on the select and select cell. Did you see that? The cell has been selected. Then I will place my cursor there again and then select column. So first column has been selected. Now I will place my cursor at here in the Raj name and then select the row. Did you see that? The entire row has been selected. Now last option is just select table. So for selecting the entire table, you click here or click here. Right, so these are the ways to select your entire table. Next is your properties. So table properties are here. In this table where they have given the size of the table, then alignment, then the text wrapping. You can change according to your convenience. Then individual properties they have given. So row, in which you can specify the height of the rows, right? And in column, here you can specify the width of the column. Then cell, in which you can specify the alignments and the width and measuring, right? So I am going to select the center over here, press OK button. Then next option is for drawing. So click on the draw table, go down, drag from one corner to the another, right? So this is the outer portion of your table. Now what about columns and rows? So select here and then like this, select and drag it, select and drag it, again select and drag it, right? And columns, select and drag, now if you want to insert a column here with the help of drawing table tool, you can do that. So did you see that, right? So this how does it work? Next is the eraser. How does it work? Click on the eraser and then place your eraser whichever line you don't want in your table. So like this. Okay. Fine. This is how eraser tool work. So I am going to deselect that first and then I will delete this table. So how can you delete this table? Let's see the delete option under the rows and columns group. So click on the drop down arrow, delete cells, delete columns, delete rows and delete table. If you click on the delete table, the entire table will be deleted. First we will start with the delete cell. So as you can see, I have selected this cell and they have given the option shift cells left, shift cells up, then delete the entire row or delete the entire column. I am going to select the shift cells left. So press OK button. Did you see that? Right? So this is how you delete your particular cell. Delete columns. So did you see the entire column has been deleted? Then delete rows. First row where I have placed the cursor, it has been deleted. Then delete table. So the entire table has been deleted. Now under rows and columns group, 4 more options are there, which is insert above, insert below, insert left and insert right. So I will show you how does it work. So I am placing my cursor at the last row and then I am going to click the insert above. Did you see that the row has been inserted above the last row? Then I will click on the undo command. I will place my cursor at last row only and then I will go for the insert below. Did you see that? It will insert the row below you have selected the cell. Then undo command, insert left. So I have placed my cursor at Kamal place and then I will click on the insert left. So did you see they have inserted the column at left side. Now if you want to insert at the right side, so place your cursor and then insert right. Others group I am going to teach you in the next videos. Stay tuned with Nirja Education for that and keep learning with it.